What up, YouTube? Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing or unbagging since it's in the bag. Today we're going to be unbagging a silicone hose kit that I got off eBay and also installing them. We're going to install the hose kits real quick. Should take no more than 10-15 minutes. Everything's right there because a lot of the things that were there are not there anymore because weight reduction. Anyways, we're gonna be going through that and I'll show you guys what comes in the kit and where I got it from and let you know how I feel about it. It's a pretty big bag. All right, guys, here's the eBay silicone kit for the EVO8 and 9 here. Let's open it up. I can tell you right now, this thing feels like it's got a lot of hoses. Watch I go through a hose. Alrighty. Woo-wee. Here we are. All the hoses. Look like it's got some kind of number that I guess as a reference so they know what they're putting in the bag. Let's see where we at. Woo-wee. All right. So this is out of this bag here. This is the EVO8 and 9 silicone hose kit that I got off eBay. As you can see, it comes with quite a bit of hoses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hoses. I can tell you right now, don't know where these go. But more than likely, this hose here is your lower radiator hose. Oh, it looks to be in pretty good quality. It's got quite a bit of ply. It looked like 3-ply with another layer inside. And I mean, it feels pretty healthy. Doesn't feel too cheap. I mean, feels like, you know, kind of compared to my Mitsubishi radiator hose. I mean, everything but the Mitsubishi on them. So this is the lower one, okay? This is definitely the upper one. But once again, I mean, it's got the layers in there. Doesn't feel cheap. The cut is pretty good. Not uneven or anything like that. Pretty good cut. So that's pretty good quality. And these over here are probably the hoses that I'm gonna be looking at. So I gotta figure out which ones are my heater hose and which ones are not. Pretty sure some of these are probably gonna be your throttle body hoses, like this guy here, or here. Move that out the way. These might be your throttle body hoses. And maybe if they really got ballsy, maybe some turbo coolant hoses. So, yeah. This one here, and here, and here, and here. More than likely, like I said, these are probably one of the heater hoses. Maybe there's, you know, different ones from the 8 and 9. I don't know. But these are the hoses I'm gonna be interested in. And yeah, I mean, doesn't squish very easy. Got some good quality on them. And I mean, they feel pretty tough. So yeah, don't look too crazy. So I think they're gonna work. Well, that's the unboxing of them. I'm gonna go ahead and throw one of these 4 on, or 2 of these 4 on, and get this thing going. I got these pliers just for hoses. They make spinning these guys off stuck ports and stuff very easy. There's another method of just slicing a hose. If you want to reuse the hose, you squeeze it on and pretty much rotate it till it break loose. Let's test this guy out. Try not to take everything off here. Oh yeah, you can hear that hose. Oh my God, that thing will not spin. There we go. And then you wiggle side to side. Sweet. Looks like here is the hose I need to replace that one broken hose that decided to go boom on me. Oh man, every time I look at it. So, looks like it matches up fairly well. So let's go ahead and get that guy on there. Remove the cap, or remove the vacuum off the system, and it should speed up the drain process. All right, so hoses are installed. I can barely see them because there's so much stuff back there. So we're gonna crank this thing up and see what's up. I got the funnel on it, so we can burp this out. Alrighty, as we let that go ahead and burp out and take all the coolant it needs. Quick installation. Both hoses are installed. The fitment was great. Uh-oh, look. It's done. It's taking all the coolant at once. Oh, I lied. But that's why these funnels are so awesome, because it will not spill, and it's gonna take coolant until it needs it, and it's also burping out the bubbles at the same time. So once I start the car, it's gonna finish burping out the bubbles, and your system will be bled. I usually let the car run, especially this one, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, your boy needs some gas. I haven't seen that gas light in years. There she goes. She's back. Yeah. So awesome. So freaking awesome. Awesome. Oh, it took that coolant already. Oh, empty. I also always like turning on the heat too, especially since it blew. That makes sure the whole system gets the coolant it needs. So you can wait for this guy to turn hot. That's how you know it's bled out. It's already, man, it's already hot or warm. Holy moly. But by turning on my heater, I ensure the heater core also gets the right amount. And no bubbles, no bubbles. So now I just let her run for a little bit and see how she does. Woo, boy, it's hot in here. Probably gonna run out of gas before. Look like all is well. Hoses are installed, coolant is bled, and she's running well. So no smoke, no bubbles or anything out of nowhere. So I think we're fine. I hope you guys like this video. The hoses fit really well. I only installed the heater hoses, so I don't know how the rest of the kit works, but I mean, those are some pretty hard hoses to form or mold. So if those work, I'm pretty sure the rest of them do. All right, guys, time for me to head out. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share,